of a rush here. I've got errands to run, but I've got a recipe for you, so let's make it quick. One tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of regular flour, 400 ml of milk. Melt a tablespoon of butter in a pot, followed by a tablespoon of flour. Start whisking until the flour has fully cooked through. Now the flour has fully cooked through, we can proceed by adding in our milk, gently, little by little, while continue whisking. Once you have finished pouring in all your milk and your bechamel sauce is smooth, you can proceed on with seasoning your bechamel sauce with salt. Pour it in a bowl to use for later. And that's your bechamel sauce. Then what to do with it? A handful of Gruyere and Emmental cheese, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Add in your cheeses to a warm bechamel sauce. On a very low heat, start whisking until your cheeses has fully melted. Adding a teaspoon of Dijon mustard will lift up your sauce to another level. Drizzle your Mornay sauce on steamed vegetables and make them less boring. So, bechamel sauce is the key ingredients to many dishes including lasagna, mac and cheese, potato gratin and also the Mornay sauce. Try it, leave a comment below and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Good afternoon.